How's it, everyone? Good to be with you again on this beautiful morning here in Cape Town. It is the 4th of May.
That is correct. Well done, Pete.
And we've got this beautiful view out here. I don't know if you can see. There's Table Mountain in the distance, and there's a slight bit of fog over the ocean, but it's beautiful. And
so this morning we're going to come past here. If Cape Town traffic control allows it, we'll come straight down the coastline here, there where the ship is past Leeuwkop and around the peninsula. So hopefully we can make that work today.
Yeah.
Depending on air traffic control in Cape Town and if they're busy or not. So we had a conversation with them a little bit earlier on, and they said that we must just call them once we're airborne. So we're hoping that we can do that, but I'm sure we will be able to. How's it going with all the packing?
it's going lekker, man. We've got it down to a fine art now. You just pop the 2 big bags in there and shove everything in behind.
Because that space doesn't look like you can fit a lot of stuff in there.
If you manage it properly, good. So.
To take off to Stellenbosch around the peninsula, but John said I must show everyone how to climb into a safari. So I'm about 6'2", so sometimes it's difficult, you bump your head. So the first thing is don't bump your head. So what you do is you have to sit like this, bend down, and then put your bum in first, and you can take the control stick and pull it towards yourself like that. And there we go, in the bush, baby. Prop clear.
Just arrived in Stellenbosch. This is a beautiful little airfield. You know, if you look behind me, just have a look at the mountains. Just the flight here was absolutely awesome. We arrived here, we met with Alban from the Stellenbosch Flying Club. They sponsored us to a meal, they paid for our meal. We sat there at the clubhouse. Just a great atmosphere, it's a great little airfield. usual job.
You have to do the petrol today, so I'll do the unpacking. Tomorrow we'll swap.
Yeah, so he's just unpacking, and we're going to then park the plane just now. The plane has been performing flawlessly. The engine has been good, just the flying has been good, everything's just worked out so well. So it's actually a brilliant little plane, this, and the Bush Baby Safari. And yeah, we've had no hassles whatsoever. Nice and airy, and yeah, I feel comfortable in the area, so great stuff.
Peter, here we are at Mossel Bay. Quite an interesting flight. We left from Stellenbosch, nice weather, and then over the, what was it, past the
Solaris Pass.
and we came across there. But as we came over the horizon here, this fog was rolling in from the ocean as well. Yeah. So I think we basically just made it.
Yeah, we
Peter,
got in just in time. So we're going to unpack it now, pack it into the hangar. I'm going to show you the hangar here, and this is just the hangar of someone that we know, and we're going to put the aircraft into this hangar behind his aircraft.
We just landed at Mossel Bay, and literally we landed about 40 minutes ago, 45 minutes, and this is what it looks like now. The fog has just moved in over the airport as well. We're now on the road from the airport to one of Peter's friends where we're going to stay for the night. Look at this, we've made it just